ingane bogogo nabomkhulu enabantu abadala, ingane engathandeki, ingane engathandwa, ingane ehlangabezana nobunzima isasencane. And why abantu abadala bayenza lento leyo? It's because they need to build your character. They need to ukuthi mhlazana uhlangabezana neyinkinga, the day sekufanele mhlawumbe uphuma uyothwasa, ukwazi ukuthi uzimele because you've went through a lot. Ukwazi ukuthi urely on yourself and abantu abakuphethe. Most of the time awuthandwa umndeni because bayakususa emndenini, because a lot of them bayakuprotecta ukuthi ungabonwa ukuthi wena unani uphetheni. They must not see you coming, and they have to protect this gift. They have to protect you. They have to bakbuilde, ubuildeke, umoldeke. And uzobona most of the things that you go through empilweni, yibo labo bantu ozoba lapha. I've seen a lot of clients, if not 99%, 100%, yama client azakimi. It's people who are going through the very same things I went through. And because I have to understand and sympathize with them and not make them and not think, you crazy, you just lazy, why don't you just go to work, why don't you just get a job, but ufundile, why yabo into, just to name that as an example. But I have to understand kunzima kona. In order for ukuthi igold ibe gold, it has to go through fire. Fanele undlule emlilweni ukuthi your full potential nokuthi wena ubani ivele ene isiveze. Onendlebe makezwe.